Welcome to the online public involvement meeting for the proposed improvements along the Highway 60 corridor in Dodge County. The purpose of this project is to address the deteriorating pavement and safety concerns along Highway 60. This is a list of people who are working on this project. Their contact information will be shared later in this presentation, which will include their emails and phone numbers, as well as the address of the Wisconsin Department of Transportation Southwest Region office in Madison. Feel free to contact them with any comments, questions, or concerns regarding the project. The presentation will follow the outline shown here. The proposed project is located on Highway 60 from Highway 67 to the Washington County line in Dodge County. The primary objectives of this project are to address the deteriorating asphalt pavement on Highway 60 and improve safety. The pavement throughout the corridor exhibits substantial cracking and rutting. Also, several cross culverts on Highway 60 are damaged or deteriorated and require repair or replacement. To address the pavement surface concerns, the proposed project will remove and replace the existing asphalt throughout the length of the corridor. Wet reflective pavement markings will be applied in order to improve pavement marking visibility at night and in adverse weather conditions. Centerline and shoulder rumble strips will also be introduced throughout the corridor to improve safety in adverse weather conditions and help to reduce inattentive driving during crashes. Damaged or deteriorated culverts crossing Highway 60 will also be repaired or replaced to ensure proper drainage is maintained along the corridor. The project is anticipated to be completed under closed road conditions. Traffic will be detoured north of the project using Highway 67, Highway 33, and I-41. The final traffic control and staging concepts will be refined by the design team as the project progresses. During construction, access will be maintained for residents and businesses to the greatest extent possible. Limited exceptions to driveway access may occur during work operations immediately in front of access points. However, these times of restricted access are anticipated to be infrequent and well communicated in advance of any access restricting work. Specific access needs can be communicated with the design team now or with the department's field representatives during construction. This is the current work schedule for Project 3042-132 from Lowell to Hartford. The project team has begun work on the environmental document, and it is anticipated to be signed in fall of 2022. The 60% plans are also anticipated to be completed in fall of 2022. The final plans will be completed on May 1st of 2024, and construction is scheduled for 2028 with the potential to be advanced in 2025. Thank you for taking time to watch this presentation. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this project, please send us an email, give us a call, or send us mail at the Wisconsin Department of Transportation Southwest Region office in Madison. Additional project information will also be regularly updated on the project website listed here. The list of people who are working on this project and their contact information will be displayed on the next slide. Thank you for your interest in this project, and we sincerely look forward to working with you to make this proposed improvement a success.